Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use flashlight in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here click on control center. Now here. So if you want to use flashlight, so turn on this button. After that turn on, go back. So you will turn on or turn off flashlight, so swipe down. If you want to turn on flashlight, so turn on this icon. So if you want to turn off flashlight, so turn off this icon. So if you want to increase or decrease flashlight from this icon, just click and hold. If you will increase or decrease. So that's how you can use flashlight in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.